Hello everyone, welcome back. If today is your first time, thank you so much for clicking. I really appreciate. So today I'll be making meat pie and fishroll for 50 people. Yes, we'll be making this delicious meat pie and fishroll for 50 people. Here are the ingredients. I'll be listing them at the description box and also on the screen. Here we have our all-purpose flour, we have butter, salt, sugar, baking powder, we have our eggs, and we have our liquid milk. If you don't have liquid milk, you can use dry milk or water, it's okay. So here we are mixing all the dry ingredients together. Yes, add all your dry ingredients, mix it thoroughly. It's really necessary, you have to mix thoroughly. So I'm using this little bowl because this is the biggest bowl I have in my house. So if you have a bigger bowl, you can mix all the ingredients together, at once. So I have to do this for 4 times because this is the biggest bowl I have. So here we are adding our butter. So guys, please don't work too much on the butter so that it will not melt. Are you watching my video for the very first time? Please give this video a massive thumbs up, like this video, like and share. Thank you so much. So as I said earlier, don't work too much on the butter. It's very necessary so that it will not melt. Don't work too much on the butter. So here I'm adding my eggs after mixing your butter. So add your egg. I'm adding my egg, and you have to mix it thoroughly. Mix everything thoroughly. It's necessary. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. Hit the notification bell to get notified anytime we post great content like this. Please, we have to mix everything together. So here I'm adding my liquid milk. So as I said before, if you don't have liquid milk, you can add your dry milk or water. And please, when you are adding your liquid milk or your water, you have to add it gently, gradually. Don't add too much so that you will not have story that touch. Yes, so after adding water, you just have to mix it together like this. But at this juncture, I was looking for help, like seriously, because meat pie is delicious, but the process without a dough mixer is not delicious. You just have to work and work and work. So at this point I was looking for help, but it was fun though. It was fun making this meat pie. So yeah, your dough have to look like this. It should not be sticky. You can see it. At this point the dough should not be sticky when you touched it. So I was done with all the dough. I have to put it in the fridge for like 3 hours. Yeah, I have all the ingredients for my fillings. Yes, I have all the ingredients. Here I've added my onion to the hot oil. So you fry it for some minutes. Yeah, we fry the onion for some minutes before adding our grounded meat. So yeah, we are adding our grounded meat so that we can fry it for some minutes. Yes, so please mix it thoroughly. Make sure you mix the grounded meat thoroughly and fry for some minutes. So after a few minutes it looked like this. So we just have to add our potato and our carrot. So do you know that I saw a video where a lady added green beans to her meat pie? Like seriously, nothing my eye will not see. So please leave me a comment at the comment section. Do you add green beans to your meat pie? Please, I want to know. I'm so curious. So let me know at the comment section. Thank you so much. So yeah, we are adding our spices. We are adding our salt, our seasoning cube. I added some ginger. I added some curry powder. I added some ingredients, to make it yummy. I will list them at the comment section or at the description box below. So you have to mix it thoroughly before adding little water so that it can cook. So we have to close it and leave it to cook for like 10 to 15 minutes. And voila, our fillings are almost ready. As you can see, can you see that yummy, that's delicacy? I wish you are here. The aroma is something else. So at this point it was almost ready, and we just need to add our liquid flour. I added water to it so that it can make it more thick. Yeah. So at this point it was ready. So yeah, let's make the magic happen. So yeah, let's prepare the fish for the fish roll. Yes, so yeah, I'm adding some salt, some spices, and some seasoning cube to my fish. So please let me know at the comment section, how do you make your fish roll? How do you make the sauce? I want to know, please. What do you add? What is missing here? So this is how I make my fish roll. So let me know how you make your fish roll. And mine was oven fish roll. I did not fry it. So some people fry their fish roll, but I made an oven fish roll. So yeah, it was ready. You have to allow it to cool for some minutes so that we can remove all the bones. You need to remove all the bones completely. Don't go choke person. No, you have to remove all the bone completely, because not when I'm eating your fish roll and I'm seeing bone in it. For instance, like kids are eating it, it's bad when there is bone in it. So you have to really work on that part. So let me know at the comment section, do you add tomato to your fish? When you are making the fish sauce, do you add tomato to it? Because I added tomato to mine. I added a little tomato because I just wanted to feel a different taste, you know. Just wanted to feel a different taste. So yeah, I'm adding some spices, maggi, salt, you know, to make it yummy. You know, yummy. So at this point, I would leave you to enjoy the rest of the video without saying anything. So I believe you have learned one or two from this video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. I know that this audio is here and there. Please pardon me. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel. Hit that subscribe button, join the family, share this video, hit the notification bell to get notified anytime we post great content like this. I really appreciate if you watch up to this point. Thank you so much. You are the real G. Thank you, and thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you, I appreciate, and see you on our next one. Bye.